Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a natural homemade remedy that you can use to whiten the teeth. Now we all know that your teeth can stain easily, especially if you smoke or you drink coffee. Also, your teeth can become yellow depending on what you eat. Now this remedy is going to slowly get rid of the yellowing of the teeth. It's also going to help to remove your stain over time. So if you're interested in this video, then continue watching.
So to make our solution, we're going to be using some baking soda, which is the same as sodium bicarbonate, and we're going to be using a banana, and that's a ripe banana. And for the banana, we are only going to be using the banana peel. Banana peel is known for getting rid of yellow on the teeth. It is also known for removing stain from the teeth. So it's make a wonderful ingredient for getting pearly white teeth. Baking soda is also known for getting rid of stain on the teeth. It also removes yellowing of the teeth, and not only that, it also helps to freshen the breath. Okay, so the first step is to prepare the banana, and here it is. And since I'm only using the banana peel, which is the inside of the banana peel, I'm going to remove the inner and leave the peel. All right, so to do this, it's pretty easy. I like to cut both ends like I'm doing here, and I'm only going to use a half of this. Now I'm going to remove the peel. Go ahead, eat your banana, do whatever you want to do with it. So here is the banana peel, and we're only using the inner part of the banana peel. So to do that, you just need to scrape, like I'm showing here. Just scrape. Take your time right here, and you can go as close as possible to the skin. And here it is. This is the inner part of our banana peel, and we're going to place this in a bowl. And for the rest of the outer peel, you just want to fold and you want to throw this out. Okay, now we're going to put this together, and here we have our banana peel, and this is about a tablespoon and a half of banana peel. Next, we're going to add our baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. As I said before, they are the same thing. 1 rounded tablespoon of baking soda, and we're going to pour this on our banana peel. And then we're just going to mix this together. So now our baking soda and banana peel is ready, and this is what it looks like. However, when I put this down, it might get a little darker. So now we're going to move ahead, and we're going to prepare our foil paper. We're really not going to measure this. We're just going to estimate it. So we're going to fold about 1 inch. And then we're going to cut that off. So here we have double, and we're going to use 2 of these. Make sure to cover the edges. Now here we have our 2 strips. We're going to take our banana, put it on the strip, both, and just use it in the center. I'm sure we're not going to use the entire length of the strip. So you're going to put it in the center like this. And now our strips are ready. So I'm going to move on to show you how to use the strips. Now here I have our strips, and I'm going to apply the bottom one first. Now I'm going to zoom in for you to see. So you're going to take your strip, So there you have it. Go ahead and try this remedy. It definitely works because it worked pretty well on my teeth, and I'm sure it will work for you. Now if you like the video, don't forget to share the video, give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave your comments below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.